Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
She's not able to see the manager. She's not able to see the worker's age. See that? Teresa is not able to see the worker's age. Right. Okay, so this. Okay. Because she doesn't have the access to see that. Okay. She doesn't have the access to see that. And I think we have also made Teresa as our administrator or something. That's why she's able to see this much information. But what happens is she will not be able to see the report output that she's not authorized to. Like whenever we create this report, I would share it with the managers. Only then, they can run this report only for their direct report is. If you are the manager, you run this report. You see the output only as your report is. I run it. I see only for my report is. Right. If you want the accent control to kick in, you should share the report definition. Then if anybody runs the report, they will see the output as per their security permissions. If they are not eligible to see something, they will not be able to see that information. Right. But if you want to share the report exactly as you see it, which is like with all the information, then you should share the report output, rather than sharing the report definition. Understood? Now yeah. When we do a compensation statements right at the end of the year, let's say that to run it and distribute it with their report is right. So what we do is we create the report. The compensation merit statement report. We create the report and we share it with the managers. We share the report definition with the managers. So does that mean the managers will come in and they will edit the report? No, they don't have the option to edit. They will be able to run the report. They will run it for each of their employees. And they will print the output and send it to their report is. Right. But can they do it for somebody else? For somebody who is not reporting to their? This is this manager. Yeah, sir. No, because it will be not. Okay. That is the concept of steering the report definition. So we do it all the time. Okay. Because sometimes what happens? We need to share this report with other users because everybody in the system might need to run it. Okay. So that's why we managed to share. But then everybody would see the output as per their authorization levels. But yes, if you want to send them the output exactly as you see it, you would share the output. We will schedule the report, and there you will share the output. Okay. Now let's see that we go to this report again. Facebook details report. And you are? You are now going to You're no longer going to be the owner of this report. Okay. You're not going to be the owner. You want to transfer this to somebody else. Okay. You're no longer going to be the owner of this particular report. Then what happens? Okay, then what happens? You want to transfer this to somebody. You can do that as well. So if I go to the report, definition of the pages report. As of now, who is the owner? The person who created it is, by default, the owner. Right as of now, the report is owned by Logan McLean. But now Logan is no longer going to be the owner. She is moving to a different position. Let's say, or maybe somebody else is going to own this report going forward. So she can transfer the ownership of this report to somebody else. The task to do that is, you go to Custom Report. You have the option to transfer the ownership. Okay. You click on Transfer Ownership, and you select the name of the new owner. Steve Morgan. Alright. The task was completed successfully. Now, if I click on Done, now, the owner of the report is Steve. Steve can make changes to this report now, because Steve is the new owner. Okay. Can Logan make the changes? Most likely she can, because she's also having the authority of a report administrator. So that's why she has the option to edit it. Okay, and she's also an HR administrator to the report is shared with her anyway. But if it was any other user, they would no longer be able to change it. But she can because she's a security administrator. She's a report administrator. She can change, she can edit. But if it was the other case, if it was anybody else, they would no longer have the authority to edit the report. Once, then it is transferred to somebody else. Okay. If you want to transfer it back, you have the option to transfer ownership of custom report right. Transfer ownership of custom reports. You have the option to run this task, and you select the name of the report. There will be a spare report, and whom you want to transfer it to. Logan McNeil Wright. So if you want to transfer it back to Logan McNeil, yes, you can do that. The task was completed. So you can transfer it back and forth. One is you can go to the related actions of the report and take the transfer option, transfer ownership, or you can run this task, transfer ownership of custom reports, and you can transfer the ownership using this. Right. But remember that this report, each report, has an owner by default. The owner of the report is the person who is a user who created it, but it can be transferred to other. It can be transferred to other users. Got it. And the owner can transfer it back to. Correct. The owner can transfer it to somebody else's. Well, now that person is the owner. So whoever they want to transfer. Right. They can if they cannot transfer, if they do not have the authority to draw, or maybe they do not. Sorry, they did not transfer it on time. Maybe they left the organization or something. Then who can do it? The security administrator can do it. Okay, in that case, the security administrator has the authority to do the transfer. But they can transfer it back to themselves again, right? Correct? Yes, they can transfer it back to themselves.